He's a perfect God. Oh yes, he's a perfect God. My God is a perfect God. My God is a perfect God. My God.
Good afternoon, Mr. Brown. Afternoon, Mr. Josman. I was on my way to your office. Where are you heading to? I was also coming to your office to ask about Cryptochrist investment. Wow, nice. That is why I was coming to your office. Cryptochrist is organizing a Zoom meeting from now and every month to educate their customers about how to invest and also keep them updated on what is going on in the company. What about my friend who doesn't understand English? We will have different people teaching different things and in different languages. You and all your family and friends cannot afford to miss this great presentation. Wow, great. How do we join the Zoom meeting? We will always share the link in all our WhatsApp and Telegram platforms.